Today we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word this in English. The pronunciation guidance from the Cambridge Online Dictionary shows that this word has just one syllable and is pronounced this. Let's break it down into the individual sounds. It starts with the voiced TH sound V. Make sure the tip of your tongue is between the teeth for this sound. It's V. Then we have the short vowel I. That's I. Finally, we have the unvoiced consonant S. That's S. So, if we put all the sounds back together, we have this. Repeat after me. This. So, now you know how to pronounce this in English. My top tip is to make sure you keep the vowel short and don't voice the S, because if you voice the S and make the vowel longer, you will accidentally say these instead. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments, and if you found that useful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching and have a great day.